Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Andrea, London-based fashion photographer, and today I'm in the studio and I'm shooting with the film camera. I know I haven't showed on here how I shoot with a film camera before. I showed you how I shoot with a Polaroid, I showed you how I shoot with my digital camera, but I never show you how I shoot with film. And I'm really excited today. This is the Pentax P30T. I bought it at a charity shop. It was £20. The owner didn't know if it was working, and I'm really excited. My film is Kodak Portra 400. I have 36 photos on here, and yeah, I'm excited to show you. I'm waiting for the model now to come and we'll get going and I'll show you the behind the scenes. For you it won't be long, it would be like boom, that behind the scenes are coming now. So I have here the film. I'm gonna take it out. So yeah, the film is ready to go. Even when I shoot with digital, I try to like make it look like a film camera because I really like the grainy, the colors, the like retro vintage stuff. I'm all into that, and I wish I was born in another era, but I guess that's how it goes. If I was born actually in like, you know, the 60s, the 70s, the 80s, I would want to be born in another era, and so on and so forth. I'm excited now to see how the photos will turn out, and I can't wait for them to be developed so I can show you. So that's the enthusiasm also when shooting with a film camera, because you have to wait for the development of the photos and you don't know how they're gonna be. So you're shooting now here, but then you don't know how they're gonna look like. So you're like, oh, I'm so like, you know, like excited to see, and I like that, and I like that excitement. I think nowadays everything is so fast, so digital, so quick. We send messages, we take photos, we can take photos with our phones, we can take photos with anything, and it's so quick, and we have it now. But with the film camera, it's slower. You take your time for the right shot, and then you wait for it and until it's developed, then you have it, and then you can see your final result. And I think that's amazing when you see it, you know. So yeah, let's get going. it guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you like this type of videos, and you let me know if you want to see more videos about me shooting film, as I plan to do more. And yeah, I'm excited. Thank you so much. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video next Sunday. Thank you so much. Bye bye.